What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make your first $1,000 with CPA affiliate marketing in the next 14 days. All right, I'm gonna be giving you a step-by-step guide. I'm gonna literally be taking you from day one all the way to day 14. All right, so stay tuned and watch this whole entire video, okay? Because I'm literally gonna be breaking down exactly what you need to know. Now, it may be a little windy. I forgot my external mic at the crib, and I'm here at this vacation house for a week, as you can see, with the nice views behind me, nice pool view behind me. So excuse the wind noise. It might be a little traffic noise. It's lawn care people, stuff like that. But yeah, it's a nice day, so I decided to shoot this video outside real quick. And before we dive into the video, make sure you hit the like button if you like me dropping content like this and you actually enjoy videos like this. And share this video to somebody who wants to make money online, because I'm gonna be dropping more content on this channel very soon. All right, so let's just get right into the video. All right, so I got the screen share pulled up, and I basically want to take you like starting from day one, right? So let's just start right at day one. So day one, what should you be doing? Day one, you should be picking out your niche, and picking out an offer, right? Of course, this is self-explanatory. If you know, starting with CPA marketing, everybody has to start with picking out an offer. But what I really want you to do, I'm gonna give you a tip on that. So first, let's pick out a niche. All right, so pick out a niche. Why do I think you should start with just one niche? I feel like picking out a niche makes it very easy for you to actually pick an offer. If you can just pick one niche, then all you have to do is just pick offers within that niche. And I'm gonna give you a better way to pick out an offer and how to pick the best offer within a niche, right? So within the niche, pick highest EPC offer, right? So within a network, your CPA network, they're going to give you network EPCs. They're going to tell you, so I'm even saying here, highest network EPC offer, right? So within that network, they're going to give you some network EPCs, and they're going to tell you, okay, this offer has this EPC on the network, etc., etc. If they don't provide those details to you on the actual network, reach out to your affiliate manager and try to get them to give you a list of the network EPCs of the offers, right? So that way you're cutting out all the grunt work of trying to figure out, okay, what offer works, what offer doesn't work. You're going with an offer that is producing the highest EPCs for affiliates, right? So that just cuts out all the guesswork, and you should know for sure, all right, this offer is converting, and it converts pretty well because of the EPCs it pays out, right? And I say also on day one, you should buy a domain name, right? And it should be a niche domain. So within that niche, you'll have a niche domain, and with that niche domain, you can basically change out all the different offers, build all your landing pages on that domain name. So that can just take us right into day two, right? So day two, you should connect to landing page software. Another option is upload WordPress. So you can do like a WordPress plugin. So upload WordPress to your actual domain name, and then get like a landing page software plugin. That may be a cheaper, better option for you if you're familiar with building WordPress, but you will need a hosting account. So make sure that you have hostings for your domain name so that you're able to host WordPress on your actual domain name and include that plugin. So that's another option. And if depending on how tech savvy you is, this could take a day, this could take half a day. You can probably get all this done on day one. Like if you can move faster and do everything that I'm about to outline in this video in the next week or so, that's even better, right? I'm just giving you a 14 day plan, because realistically this should take you about 14 weeks to do everything that I'm about to say in this actual video, right? So let's just move into day three. So day three, let's say, what should you do? All right, day three should start your competitive intelligence. So start competitive intelligence, right? So start competitive intelligence. So this is going to be whatever traffic source you use, whether it's Facebook, ads, Google ads, TikTok, Microsoft ads. If you're doing native, you could do something like Rev Content. If you're doing mobile, you can do Zero Park. So I'm just giving you a list of traffic sources. You can do propeller ads. So pick a traffic source, right? But make sure that traffic source is eligible to be used with whatever offer that you've selected, so you don't have no issues with their affiliate network or anything like that. But yeah, you should start your competitive intelligence. And I'm not sure if you saw the video I did on competitive intelligence like a few videos ago, but I talked about how important that is. But day 3 you should be starting on that, and basically you want to do this so you can basically find inspiration for landing pages and ads, right? So you want to basically find um, what the other affiliates are doing on those networks, how people are speaking to your niche. So what you can do is you can go on something like Google, Facebook, Facebook ad library, whatever. Just type in your niche keywords and figure out how other advertisers are speaking to the audience, speaking to the niche. What type of pages are they running? So basically you can build up inspiration for like your landing pages and your ads, right? So that's what you want to do on day 3. So day 4, what I want you to do once you have that inspiration is I want you to start getting ready to start your campaign build, right? So you need to get your tracking set up. So I say um, volume setup tracking, right? Setup tracking for volume. All right, setup tracking software, right? So setup tracking software, and basically that's going to be, I'll break that in further. So set up your tracking software. So you can basically add your affiliate network to the tracking software, add affiliate network, add traffic source that you're going to be using to the network. You want to add the offer, uh, add traffic source. You want to add offers as well. And you also want to, do all your post back setups, etc. Right? So that's going to be like the tracking side. So that may be a little more technical for certain people that's not used to it. So it can take a full day for that. So we're gonna move into day 5. But yeah, day 4 you should definitely understand like, all right, how you gonna kind of speak to your audience with the ads inspiration. So when it comes to day 5, you can start building out landing pages, right? So build out landing pages, right? And I say even on day 5, you can, so I'll make this like a 2-day process, right? So building out landing pages, I say build out 2 landing pages, and we'll say day 5 through day 6, build out 2 landing pages and create 3 to 5 ads to test, right? So this is basically, I'm gonna give you 2 days. So one day you can spend like building out 2 different type of landers, or however you could do like totally different styles or different headlines, however you want to split test your landing pages to basically test one out, and then split test it against the other if the first one isn't doing so well. So you having that other landing page just for backup, and 3 to 5 ads to like split test to see which ad speaks best to your actual audience. And once you have that landing page, add landing page to tracking software, right? So you want to add the landing page to your tracking software, so volume. So once after day 5, day 6, basically once you get to day 7, it's going to be time to finish out your campaign build, right? So day 7, finish campaign build, right? So finish campaign build on volume. All right, so you should have like all your landing pages, your ads to test, all your tracking and stuff set up, domain names connected. So your domain names is already connected to the landing pages that you built. So you shouldn't be like, your landing page shouldn't be saying like dot something dot clickfunnels.com. Like, that's not professional. Make sure it's already connected. We went over that in the previous days. So when it comes to day 7, this is like the last of the technical stuff, which is finishing the build of volume, and you want to basically get link to start testing. So at the end of day 7, you should be done with all the technicals, and you should be having your link that you should be giving to Facebook, giving to Google, giving to TikTok, whoever, so that you can start testing and running some traffic, right? Because day 8 is going to be about setting, set up campaign. Let's say set up campaign on traffic source, and also on this day you can start running traffic. So when it comes to traffic, guys, I just say start with a low budget, right? So I'm gonna put in quotations, low budget. Don't come out the gate spending $100 a day on ads. I don't want you guys blowing through unnecessary budget when you're just getting started. Remember, this is just the testing phase. So higher budget should be used when you're actually ready to scale, and once you know everything within your campaign is actually working, then you want to start scaling to like a higher budget and stuff like that. But if you're not sure on what the campaign is going to be doing, or sure of the stats, you want to basically take a few days. So let's say day 9, you want to, I say 9 through 11, let the campaign run for like 2-3 days. And then what I want you to do is go over your campaign results. So go over campaign results, right? So go over campaign results. That'd be like looking through your reports in volume, checking out your CPCs or your CPMs. You may need to adjust some bids on Google, wherever traffic source that you're running on. You may notice you're spending too much on your clicks or something like that. You also want to, let's say, check out your CTRs or your landing pages. Make sure those are doing well, because if it's not, what you can do is you can actually switch out to that other landing page that I had you create, because remember, you're going to have 2 landing pages. And you also can see, where conversions are coming from, what ad set is actually producing you the actual conversions. Like, it's all going to be dependent. If you're doing mobile, you can see where your what targets are converting for you, what sources are converting for you. You start building up your whitelist. It's different ways to optimize. This is going to be kind of like your optimization phase. Checking out your EPC, because you'll have a certain network EPC for that offer, but it's not guaranteed that that's going to be your EPC. Your EPC may be higher than the network EPC for that offer, or it could be lower. It's just going to depend on basically your results, right? So that's why day 9 through day 11 is going to be going over the results, seeing what the campaign is doing for you. So as you can see, the first week is just about kind of like the technical stuff, and then from day 8 to like on forward, I'll say, even like we can even go into day 12 through day 14, right, to the end of like the 2 weeks, right? This is where you want to kind of scale budget. So once you see, all right, this is working, I'm getting pretty good cost per click, my landing page is converting, I'm starting to build up my whitelist. Now what you can do, sorry guys, it's a little windy, but like once you get to like day 12, 14, your EPC maybe so far so good, is higher than what you're paying per click. So what you want to do is, I say scale budget, let's say 50 to 100%, right? So 50 to 100%. So you can, like, if you're spending like $20 a day, you can just bump it up to like $40 a day or something like that, and just pay attention for like another couple of days, just to make sure nothing breaks within your campaign. Your CTRs are staying the same, your EPC staying the same, your CPC staying the same. You just want to constantly be looking at your reports and optimizing your campaign. And I mean, this is pretty much the process on getting your first $1,000 within 14 days. So, right, $1,000 within 14 days, right? It's going to be basically the hardest part, and the part that's going to kind of be the most time consuming is getting everything set up. But I basically gave you guys A to Z, day 1 through all the way to day 14, on how to basically, what exactly you need to be doing on what day, so that it's not this hard process and taking you longer than it needs to. It shouldn't take you longer than 1 day to build out landing pages, or 1 day to just do some ads. Just give yourself some time to do this stuff, but what I'm saying, still take action with a sense of urgency, right? Because what happens is, a lot of people, it takes them longer than 7 days just to build out their first campaign. I think that's too long. If you're serious about CPA marketing, it shouldn't take you longer than a week, 2 weeks to get to this process. You should be optimizing within 2 weeks. You should be being able to go through stats and data, within a week or two, right? And this is how you're going to make money within 2 weeks, because you're literally going to be launching within 1 week. So you should be able to make money, that second week, right? And the $1,000 is going to be dependent upon your ROI. What is your ROI? It could be something like 200%, 300%. It could be something lower, 100%, 50%. It's just, what are your numbers looking like? And depending on your numbers, depending on ROI, scale your budget. Just keep scaling your budget every 2 to 3 days, 50 to 100%. Not nothing too crazy. Don't go from $20 a day to $120 a day. Scale it gradually, and eventually after 2-3 days, first 3 days, $20 a day. 3 days later, you might make it $40. 3 days later, you might make it $80. 3 days later, you might make it, $120. So it's like, gradually you're building up your budget, and you're just making sure your stats are remaining the same, right? You don't want your stats to actually start going out of whack because you're raising your budget too fast, right? So it's determining how much ROI you get. I put ROI here. You know what I'm saying? It's how much profit of that $1,000. I'm telling you guys, you can hit $1,000 with ease if you follow this actual process, right? So what I want you to do now is just screenshot this, print it out, put it on your desk, put it on, make a sticky note, whatever, write it out, whatever you need to do, and go day by day following this guy. Guys, if you follow this guy, you will get results for yourself. I seen it in my students. I seen it with just tons of people. But the people that don't really get results is the people that don't take action, or they take too long to take action because they're stalling, because they don't know how to basically split up their days and what days they should be doing what and how long everything should be taking. All this stuff, everything I go through on the day, I'm giving you a hell of time, because some of you guys out there might work a job, or you may only have 2-3 hours a day. So it could take you a little longer to complete this process. That's okay. But in the meantime, just know this is kind of like the timetable on how I want you to complete things. All right. So screenshot this and print it out so that you're able to follow this once this video is over. All right, guys. So that's all I got for this video. Make sure, once again, you like this video, share it with somebody who wants a step-by-step guide on how to make money online. This is the real deal. This is exactly what I do to live the lifestyle you see me living. I'm about to just go enjoy some fun in the sun, hit the pool, go enjoy the town later on in the afternoon. So I dropped this video for you guys, because to me, these are the type of videos that help me. These are the type of videos that actually changed my life. So why not, as I'm living a lifestyle, give back and show you guys how I was able to do this as well? Because you guys know that I wasn't always successful. I had to start from the ground up. I had to pick an offer out just like you. I had to start with the landing page. I had to connect it to the tracking software. I had to do all the things you had to do. So literally, there's no shortcuts. We all start from the same spot. It's just, are you going to get started? Yes or no? So make a difference in your life today. This is a lifelong skill, something that you can use for the rest of your life to become successful. All right, guys. So that's all I got for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.